So I took the Akamonkai beginner lessons that was covering the first 150 hours and the N5 in Japanese language. What made me choose Akamonkai online course was the fact that I didn't have any experience with proper lessons. I was studying on my own Japanese for a long time and I wanted something more structured, something that would push me harder. The benefits of studying Japanese before coming to Japan are many, honestly. It's a very difficult language to get into, and the fact that you already have some base can help you a lot. Just even to live in this place, it's necessary to have those bases. And during class, it's a lot of help to just already know the material that you are going to cover. So about studying online, the advantages are usually that you have a lot of freedom. You can study whenever you want, you have your own plan to do it. You can also complement your study very easily. There's a lot of material that you can print out and keep, like the worksheets that are very helpful.
オンライン授業のメリットですが、やはり録画されているものなので、自分のペースで学習ができるというのがメリットだと思います。例えば、教師の発言がよく聞こえなかった時には、もう一度止めて戻すこともすぐできますし、発話してくださいというタイミングに合わせて発話するようになっていますが、それがうまくいかなかったとしても、もう一度戻って教師の発音を聞いて真似をするという自分のペースで止めたり戻したりできるということが一番のメリットだと思います。あとは2番目のメリットとしては英語での翻訳がついていますので、例えばちょっと文法の理解が難しいという場合にも英語での翻訳を見てそれで理解をする翻訳を手助けに理解するということができると思います。
So a typical online lesson was usually some vocabularies at first, then we will see some new grammar points. We will follow up with some exercise. Sometimes we will go to post an online video about pronunciation, and we will finish with some kanji exercise and homework for the day after. There are many advantages about studying Japanese here in Akamonkai. There are people always speaking Japanese with you. You can always have a better way to improve yourself. There's a lot of homework. They are pushing you further and further.
やはり通学の授業に関して言いますと、一番のメリットはやはりライブなので、その場で教師に聞きたいことをすぐ確認できる。あとは自分の発話や自分がその場で書いたものをすぐに直してもらえる、その場で直してもらえるというのが一番大きいメリットじゃないかと思います。
So my typical day of studying in class, I study in a morning class. Usually when we come, we do some kanji test and katakana tests. We review kanji and katakana just after. Then we go to the books, so Mina no Nihon go, and we usually go like that until the end of the class.
やはり日本に来る前に簡単な日本語の音、文字を勉強して、必要な本当に簡単なものを文法項目を勉強しておくと、やはり留学してからの負担が小さいとは思うので、できれば国で勉強してくることをお勧めしたいです。